Hi, happy Monday. This is Buddy Blake, real estate agent here in Wilmington, North Carolina. I hope you had a great weekend. It was outstanding here in Wilmington. We spent some time down at a house that we have at Carolina Beach, painting my daughter's bedroom yellow. And we were really nervous because yellow is a tough color, but she picked a perfect yellow and it just worked out beautifully. So we were just getting it all ready for the big weekend next weekend, Memorial Day. We've got some friends coming in. We're really looking forward to family and friends and just enjoying a little bit of time. Our kids' last week of school is this week. Really excited about our oldest daughter, Delaney. I'm just going to tell you, she has a full-time position working in the youth ministry department at Scotts Hill Baptist Church, the church we go to. It's a full-time position for her, benefits, the whole shebang. So super proud of our Delaney. We didn't even know she applied, didn't even know she was trying it. Completely shocked, but so very excited. But anyway, I want to tell you a quick story. We've closed a good number of homes. This really picked up since March, guys. And if you're thinking about selling your house, give me a call. Would love to have a conversation with you. If you're looking for homes in our area, go to my website, buddyblake.com. You can search everything there, even stuff that's not on the market yet, which is awesome. So you can see it all and connect with us, and we'll be glad to help you. Just keep an eye on the market or with a mortgage. We have an excellent mortgage professional that is more than happy to run numbers for you, check things out. And if you ever wonder what your house might sell for, or be worth, and what kind of, what it might look like on how much money your bottom line check will be, we've got some really nice tools for that too. So I would like to share those. But I want to tell you a quick story real quick. We sold a house this week, super nice family, and they are moving across the country. I can't believe they're leaving Wilmington, but they're moving for a job and family and things like that. But they were looking at going with movers, and they got a quote for a mover, and they decided to go and do it themselves, which a lot of folks do, especially young people. Old people like me, I am never moving myself again. I use Jason and his team at Coastal Movers to move things literally upstairs to down, because I am not blowing out another disc over trying to save a little bit of money. I am blessed. I can do that. Not everybody can, but if you are going to move yourself, you need to make sure you double, triple, quadruple check your insurance coverage, because unfortunately, these folks, three deer came out, and their big U-Haul truck flipped over. Everybody was okay. Good news. Don't know about the deer. I didn't get that scoop, but all the humans were okay. So that's all I'm worried about. But their stuff was not. So they're sitting there. Fortunately, they were smart, super smart. They signed, got the extra insurance to cover the truck, the damage to it, and things like that. But unfortunately, their stuff was not covered. Now, if you go with a mover, obviously a moving company, it's all covered. It's just taken care of. But here is what they found out, and I didn't even know this, and check with your insurance. They hadn't closed, their house hadn't technically closed and recorded, so it was still their house. Their homeowner's insurance covered a good chunk of money for their personal property that was not on site. And because there was in their policy, it said 10% of whatever the personal content coverage was applied towards this. So they're still working through it all, but talk to your insurance person. And if you're going to do a do-it-yourself move, make sure you buy the extra coverage. There is coverages out there to cover your contents and things like that, either with like a U-Haul company or third-party system. So you want to make sure to take care of that. But if I can be of assistance any way this week or anything like that, please reach out below. Give our team a call at the number below. And I want to wish you and your family a wonderful Memorial Day weekend coming up. And I hope it's beautiful where you are. And if you're visiting our area, stop by, say hello. I'm going to be in Carolina Beach and hopefully enjoying some sun, some cookouts, some hot dogs, some hamburgers, and things like that. But you guys have a great week. Thank you so much for listening to this video and also for staying on our Monday morning coffee list. Thanks.